Good morning, everyone. I am Aman, and I am here to debate on the topic school versus coaching. I am in the favor of school. In the school, we can learn every type of subject, and we can learn discipline and many other things in the school, but not coaching.
You may be right, but when we talk about the school, we can learn many type of different types of the subject, but we cannot learn only one subject. This is a very big problem of the any student. If a student want to be study only science, they cannot. This is not possible in the school. And if the any student if the any student interested on the interested on the any subject, they can focus only one subject. That's why it is provided in the coaching, but it is not provided in the school.
Sorry, but I don't agree with you because when there is a good teachers available in the school, then there is student no need to study in the coaching because if when any student have knowledge in the school, then they can understand any type of subject and they do many type of work.
First of all, when we talk about the school, in school, there are no good teacher, because when we talk about the government school, there is no teacher. That's why the people also go to private school. But when we talk about the government coaching, this is very good. That's why coaching is better than a school, and government also provide good teacher in the college, a good teacher in the coaching, but not in the school. That's why coaching is better than a school.
You may be right. You may be right here, but nowadays in the government school, there are a lot of facilities available in the modern time because the teachers need to do many type of work in the schools, and when a teacher do not focus on studying properly, then the big officers come to school to check how is study in that school. So I think school is better than the coachings.
You may be right, but when any officer come in a school, then then the teacher also teach properly. But when any big teacher go, and then the teacher do not teach properly. That's why this is a very big problem of the any school. And when we talk about college, when we talk about the coaching, then there are the many good coaching like Allen and PW, which provide good facility in the coaching. And if the any person want to prepare the J and many different types of exam, they can study in a coaching, not in a school. That's why coaching is better than the school.
But according to me, there is like many good schools available in our India, like JNV school and Sainik schools. These schools, because of it, we can prepare our we can study free after free in the 12th exam. And in that school there are good facility. There are good type of facility available in that school, and in this school there high level teachers available.
But if the student want to be study in the merit of good school, then they have to be pass the exam. And if the student do not is so much intelligent, they cannot teach, they cannot study in the this school. That's why when we talk about coaching, like Ellen and different types of coaching, where the number of the pupils become the IIT and I become the IITian and doctor is more than the school. And if we talk about the which student who study who do self study, they cannot become easily IITian. That's why we should prefer the coaching, not the school. That's a coaching, not coaching is more important than the school.
I agree with you. Coaching is important, but in the modern time, there we can learn any type of subject because of the internet. And because of internet, we don't need to study in the coaching, and we can study by sitting at home.
Yes, I think when we talk about India, India is not development country; it is developing country, and there's a no 6 to 7 more than subject. And when we talk about the modern time, there's a many different types of skill like AI and different types of. We cannot learn this skill in the school. That's why we have to be go to coaching. That's why coaching is more important than the school.
Sorry, but I don't agree with you because it is very easy thing of every student. If even if he is educated or uneducated, because there is a lot of option to change the voice, and we can learn every type of subject. And you are saying in the schools. In the schools, there is a lot of good quality of teachers, and they teach properly, like the coaching teacher.
First of all, where we talk about the in school, they are the 2000 game in the world, and it is not possible every game play in the school. That's why if the any student want to be play the cricket, then they can go to a cricket academy. If the any student want to be singing, they can singing academy. But all of this game are not provided by the school. That's why coaching is more important than the school.
Uh, but I don't agree with you because when any student want to be any sportsman and anything, that student have to first that student have to play the school level. Then that student grew up. So I think if schools is not available, so the pupils so the children cannot grow up easily.
I am not agree. I do not agree with you, and because I also say that in the world there are many different types of game, and it is not possible every game play in the school. That's why if the any student if the any student want to be play different type of game, so it is not provided by the school. That's why if the any student want to play the chess and different type of game, it is not provided by the school. That's why coaching is more important than the school.
Chess chess and many type of, and like this there are different type of games. It is a knowledgeable game. We can also learn it by the internet, and many other authorities, and mostly that games is not teach in the in the coachings. It is also teach in the schools.
First of all, when we talk about any big player like Virat Kohli and Cristiano Ronaldo, they also joined academy. That's why they also joined academy, and academy is also coaching. That's why coaching is more important than the school.
Sorry, academy is not academy is not like a coaching, because in academy you have to teachers will teach you how to do that, and in the academy, in the academy, and in the academy, the children stay in the academy, not but in the coaching, there is 1 or 2 hours class run in the coachings.
I think you may be right, but when we talk about any big player who also join the coaching, and because of it there's no big any person who become success with the help of school, but they also have to be join coaching. That the coaching is more important in the school.